Welcome back to the channel, fashion lovers and crafters. If you are looking for stunning, high fashion style that you can easily make yourself, you are in the right place. Today, we are showcasing the most beautiful, attractive, and stylish crochet dress designs for 2026 that are surprisingly easy to make. Whether you are a confident beginner or just want a quick, rewarding project, these gorgeous handmade dresses are guaranteed to inspire you. Let's jump right in. First up in our collection, look at these incredible modern shift and tank dress designs. 2026 is all about clean lines, effortless drapes, and lightweight cotton yarns. What makes these dresses so beginner-friendly is their simple two-panel construction, using basic stitches like double crochet and airy V-stitches. You can work up these sleek midi dresses faster than you think. They are breathable, flattering, and perfect for warm summer days or casual outings. Next, let's talk about an absolute crowd favorite, granny square and motif dresses. Granny squares are bigger than ever in 2026, and they are one of the absolute easiest ways to crochet a full dress. You simply work up individual square motifs in your favorite color palette, seam them together, and you have an adorable, vintage chic outfit. They are completely customizable, super cozy, and incredibly fun to make step by step. If you want something breezy for vacation or poolside lounging, check out these stunning mesh and lace cover-up dresses. These designs use open work stitches like trellis and shell patterns. Because the stitches are so repetitive and open, they use less yarn, work up super fast, and require minimal shaping. Layered over a simple slip or swimsuit, these pieces give you an instant, high-end boho look with very little effort. Now, look at these stylish textured align and empire waist dresses. Adding simple textures like ribbed stitches or subtle scalloped edges makes these pieces look straight out of a designer boutique. The secret to making them easy is choosing self-striping yarns or tonal gradients. The yarn does all the detailed color work for you, while you focus on soft, relaxing stitches. They are comfortable, elegant, and so satisfying to finish. Which of these easy 2026 crochet dress designs is your absolute favorite? Are you planning to craft one for your wardrobe this year? Let me know down in the comments below. If you love this showcase and want more easy crochet pattern ideas, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching and happy crafting!